Dietary trends tend to come and go. People will try the high protein approach, or the low fat approach, or the no carbohydrate approach. They tend to come in cycles. In fact, during the 20th century, the high protein diet came into vogue on 5 separate occasions, each separated by almost 20 years. Sort of every generation has to learn the same lesson anew to find out that the high protein approach doesn't work and is in fact quite dangerous. Currently, one of the most popular dietary approaches is cutting out all carbohydrates in an effort to lose weight. But we invite in a host of other health problems when we cut out carbohydrates. They're absolutely essential to our good health. What people need to be doing in order to get that success in dieting that they really look for, without cutting out all carbohydrates because we need them for our health, is to cut out the complex carbohydrates, the starches, while keeping fruits in our program. The starchy foods tend to cause us to get puffy. They cause us to hold water. And every time someone cuts out carbohydrates, we tend to see a rapid loss of water weight, which supports the people trying to lose weight. They go, that's the results I wanted. But we continue to eat the carbohydrates we need by consuming as much fruit as we desire, enough so that we never have any cravings. Cut out the complex carbohydrates, but leave those simple carbohydrates from fruit as the main staple of your diet. My grand obsession was to bring health and a healthy message to as many people as possible. And through the course of my career, I've helped thousands of people regain their health, and thousands of athletes reach levels of performance even they didn't think was possible. I've done the same for you by spending more than a decade creating and rewriting Perpetual Health until I finally got it the way I wanted. I bring you Perpetual Health 365 because on these pages you can get the benefits that you want from a book on health. If you want to learn how to do fitness to the max, healthy thinking and healthy living for the best possible results, how to eat well, how to interact with others, how to get a sane and healthy view on weight management and personal interactions, and even your own self-talk. Perpetual Health 365 is the book that will change your life for the better.